Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical Sujav YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to download the official Microsoft Windows 10 ISO file from Microsoft. 100% safe, free and legal. If you are looking to reinstall Windows, upgrade your PC or create bootable USB drive, this guide is for you. Before you start, make sure like this video if you find it helpful and subscribe this channel for more awesome tech content. Let's get started. First open your web browser and go to Microsoft Office Windows 10 download page. You can Google Windows 10 download or type this direct link in description and click first link. There is no download button on this page. Now right click. After clicking you can see many buttons, but click on inspect and then click on the toggle device toolbar. Click on dimension and then select any device and refresh the page. Then close inspect after the page refresh. Now scroll down and find the select edition option. Choose Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO and click confirm. Next, select your perfect language and click confirm again. You will now see two download links, one for 64-bit and one for 32-bit. Tap the one now matches your PC specification and the download will be begun. Now, this might take a while depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, your Windows 10 ISO file is ready. Thanks for watching and don't forget subscribe this channel.